In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Slack account. This process is straightforward and should take you no more than 5 minutes. Let's begin with opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to the Slack website. Once you're there, you'll see a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. This button will lead you towards creating your new account. Even though it says Sign In, it provides the option to start fresh as we're about to do. After clicking Sign In, look out for the option that says Create an Account. This is what we need to click to start the account creation process. From here, you'll have a variety of options to create your account. If you're signing up with a company or business email, you can go ahead and enter that information. This method not only associates your account with your work email, but often makes joining company-specific Slack workspaces a breeze as it's directly linked. Alternatively, if you would rather use a more straightforward method, Slack allows you to sign up using your Google or Apple account. This option provides an extra layer of convenience by linking your Slack account to accounts you use every day. It's especially useful if you like to keep everything streamlined and in one place. As you go through the motions, you might encounter a CAPTCHA test. These tests are there for security reasons and to confirm that a real person is signing up. If prompted, simply follow the instructions and complete the CAPTCHA. It's usually a quick and easy process involving ticking a box or selecting certain images. Once that's complete, hit Continue to move on to the next step. Slack will then send a one-time password, often abbreviated as OTP, to the email address you have used. This is a security measure to verify your email and ensure that you have access to it. Head over to your email inbox, find the email from Slack, and make a note of the OTP. Finally, return to Slack and enter the OTP where prompted to complete your account creation process. This step not only adds an extra layer of security, but also helps to authenticate your identity. Follow any further on-screen prompts to make any final tweaks or additions to your new Slack profile, and there you have it, you're all set with your brand new Slack account. By following these steps, you can now stay connected with your teams, colleagues, and communities in an efficient, organized way. Enjoy exploring the features and communications tools Slack has to offer. Signing up is quick and easy, and before you know it, you'll be up and running, ready to join your first Slack workspace or channel.